Does Vizio Smart TV have Crunchyroll? Crunchyroll is a popular streaming service for anime, and many Vizio Smart TV users want to know if they can access it directly on their TV. While some smart TVs have dedicated apps for Crunchyroll, Vizio's app availability depends on its SmartCast platform and built-in app store. 1. Crunchyroll app availability on Vizio Smart TVs. Vizio Smart TVs do not have a native Crunchyroll app available for direct download. Unlike Roku, Android, or Google TVs, Vizio's SmartCast platform does not currently support Crunchyroll as a built-in app. However, there are alternative ways to watch Crunchyroll on a Vizio TV. 2. Watching Crunchyroll using AirPlay or Chromecast. Vizio Smart TVs support AirPlay and Chromecast, allowing users to stream Crunchyroll from a mobile device. Open the Crunchyroll app on your smartphone, tap the Cast or AirPlay icon, and select your Vizio TV. This method mirrors the content from your phone to the TV. 3. Using external streaming devices. If you prefer a dedicated Crunchyroll app, you can use an external streaming device like a Roku Stick, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast with Google TV. These devices support the Crunchyroll app, allowing you to install and stream content directly on your Vizio TV. 4. Accessing Crunchyroll via a web browser. Some Vizio Smart TVs have a built-in web browser. If available, you can try accessing Crunchyroll's website and streaming directly. However, performance may be limited compared to using an official app or casting from a mobile device. 5th, troubleshooting streaming issues. If you have trouble casting Crunchyroll to your Vizio TV, ensure that both your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Restarting both devices and updating the TV's firmware can help resolve connection problems. For the best experience, use an external streaming device for Crunchyroll. Vizio Smart TVs do not have a native Crunchyroll app, but users can still watch anime using AirPlay, Chromecast, or an external streaming device. Choosing the right method ensures smooth streaming and access to Crunchyroll's vast anime library.